animal? What about an animal?
A bear animal would eat. Mommy, what does a bear eat?
A bear eats poo.
Yeah.
I don't think a bear eats poo. A bear could eat berries?
No.
What do you think a bear eats?
Leaves.
A bear eats leaves?
And what raccoons eat?
Raccoons eat a lot of food. I think they eat almost everything. What do you think a raccoon eats?
No. Raccoons have sharp teeth.
They have sharp teeth?
Yeah, this one, two sharp teeth.
So then what do they eat?
No, they're cut things with the sharp two teeth.
Oh, they do? Yeah.
The seeds they cut with the two fingers. No, two teeth.
Yes. What else?
I have all the teeth here.
You have all the teeth there?
Yeah. On the side.
And what do you
and
eat?
out. Food and mac and cheese.
Food and macaroni and
There's
cheese?
one mac and cheese and one food.
What else? What doesn't... Tell me another animal that eats something. Stop moving. What else? What about birds? What do birds eat?
Birds eat. Birds eat. Birds eat. Birds eat. Birds food.
Bird food.
Bird.
Keigen, stop moving, please. Okay, we're gonna end the video then, because then I can't follow you. Do you want us to have a video?
Yeah.
Okay, then you need to stop moving. Okay, listen. What does a cow eat?
A cow eats grass.
A cow eats grass.
Yeah.
What about a horse?
A horse? No, a horse don't eat anything.
Oh, doesn't? But then how does it get big and strong if it doesn't eat anything? Does it need to eat food to get big and strong?
But they are big and strong.
So how do they get big and strong? They must eat something. They probably get hungry.
But Mommy,
Yes?
I need to get big and strong like the horses and Daddy and you.
But what do horses eat to get big and strong? What do they eat?
I don't know.
They eat apples and hay and grass. What do you think?
Everything.
No, not everything. But they eat grass and hay. Okay, we'll talk more about animals later. Time for bed.
No, it's not time for bed.
Good night.